Look at that. It's only October, but in northern Arizona, winter is already making an appearance. That snow started falling in Flagstaff late last night. People pretty excited to see that in spite of the cold temperatures. The dusting wasn't enough to affect travel, but it was enough to get people thinking about skiing and snowboarding and, of course, the holiday season. Not only are we not seeing weather that makes us think of Christmas, Ella, we're not even seeing weather that makes us think of Halloween. It's not even chilly.
True. It's not even cold yet, and sometimes it snows by Halloween. In fact, Michelle, if we look at history, we have seen snow as early as today. We've actually seen significant snow as early as today. On this day in history, in 2006, we saw our earliest accumulating snowfall event ever. So Grand Rapids during that event picked up 2 inches of snow, Kalamazoo close to 6 inches of snow, and Hastings picked up 8 inches of snow on this date back in 2006. We don't have much in the way of chill even in the 8-day forecast, let alone looking towards the end of October. In fact, it's looking like we're going to continue to lean warmer than average through the end of the month. So at most, we might pick up a stray flurry for the northern lower, but it's not looking like anything big here for us in terms of cool down until at least November.